To begin, I'd like to give you a bit of history about Watchtower IT Services. We are over 7 years old. We started out in 2008 with just 2 people working together to provide IT solutions, all from a home-based office. We're now a growing 8-member team, headquartered in downtown Findlay. We offer IT solutions and web development services. My team and I would like to talk to you directly about building websites. We have a few items we'd like to cover: web design, development, and content writing. We're going to start with behind the scenes of website building. We typically start our projects with a rigorous team building meeting. Then we gather our notes, meet with the client, draw up a plan, and begin the design phase. After we complete the design of the site, coding of the structure and custom software starts. While development is going on, our content writer and SEO experts get to work. Each member of our team is key to a successful product. When we build a website, we like to focus on experience and performance. Let's start with experience. With viewer's experience, we want your website to provide the viewer with a visually pleasing site, and a site that is easy to navigate so they can find what they are looking for. And of course, a site that loads quickly and works on all devices. With owner experience, we design your site so that you, as the owner, can easily update it with new images and content. Web design plays a big part in user experience. If your site doesn't function well or looks unprofessional, people may leave it if they feel it is untrustworthy. A well-designed site can have a huge impact on your sales. Instead of talking more about how website design works, I'd like to show you. Here you see the beginning of a website being designed with Adobe Photoshop. We are building the homepage one piece at a time. There is a lot going on here, so let's break it down. There are dozens of layers combined together to show you what you are seeing on the screen. We start with a basic wireframe and grid. Then we measure out each section, add some color, images, text, and shading to bring the homepage to life. If the client wants to see a change, we can easily swap items and change the look of the site. Once the main design of the site is complete, the designer will cut out each piece of the site so that the developer can use each slice like a puzzle piece and code the site back together. Next, let's talk about performance. I would like to bring in one of our developers.
Performance plays a huge role in a website. Minimal downtime is imperative. Your site isn't very beneficial to you if it's not up and running. A professional hosting provider is the solution to minimal downtime. Quick load time is important as no one wants to wait around for your site to load. We've all got better things to do. Responsive design. Each of our websites are built to work on all devices. Strong online presence. We create a plan for your site with effective tools to help you get found online. Lastly, all of our websites are built with top-of-the-line content management systems and professional software. Having a reliable, secure site is key to your success. As a developer, my part of each project is to code each section of the site, set up the structure, piece together the graphics, add the custom software, and make sure the site functions on all devices and browsers. Each of our websites are built on a content management system called WordPress. This platform has an incredible amount of capabilities. I'd like to show you a preview of the technology of WordPress. Once logged into the back end of your website, you will see the user interface of WordPress. Here, you can easily create a blog post, edit content, add an image, and in addition, you can update your website's main menu by simply hovering over a menu item and dragging it to where you would like to place it. Do you need to display upcoming events on your site? We can build in an event plugin that allows you to add one-time or reoccurring events. You can add a location and map, link to purchase tickets, and even an image for the big day. We love customizing new tools for you. We can build a gallery, a video library, product order forms, loan calculators, the possibilities are endless. All of these intelligent features are coded specifically for the client's needs and made for a great site experience.
Now you've seen how we bring intelligence to websites through design and development. Next, I'd like to introduce one of our content writers.
So how many of you have a website? How are you driving traffic there? Gone are the days where keywords were king. The must-have for your website to get found today is content, and not just gibberish, but real, usable, valuable content. The simplest way to bring value to your site and engage your audience is to tell a story. You don't go home and tell your spouse about your day in bullet list fashion, do you? Is it the best way to encourage someone to trust us and to buy our product by shoving a bunch of statistical data down their throats? No, it's not natural. Tell them a story that specifically identifies their problem. Let them picture themselves in the world you're creating. When your audience relates to the story, they attach to the message on a deeper level. The more you update the site with something of value, the higher your search engine rankings will rise. Of course, there's more to it than that, but it's a great place to start. My position as lead content writer is to become the client. I listen, research, and write in the voice of the speaker. The words I use are carefully crafted to project the image the client wants, the vision they see, the voice that is truly theirs.
A lot goes into designing a professional website: planning, creating custom graphics, coding, content writing, and SEO. All of these features should be designed to allow users to find and read content easily and effectively. This has been a quick overview of how we build our websites as a team. I hope you've enjoyed it as much as we have.